What is good, people? I got a fragrance for you, a new release from the house of Ralph Lauren. And in a community that's more focused on making money off you, pushing you to buy things, this fragrance, I am going to have affiliate links in the description. And if you got deep pockets and you got to have this fragrance now, whatever I say makes you want to buy the fragrance and you got to have it now, yeah, I'm not going to fight you on it. I'm not going to hold you back. But I am going to save you some money and tell you, don't click that link yet, okay? Wait till March 19th because Macy's is going to have another fragrance VIP sale where you can get 15% off of this or anything else you want to buy at Macy's. And this fragrance is Polo 67. It's an eau de parfum extreme. Eau de parfum! It's an eau de parfum extreme. And no false advertisement here. If you're familiar with the Polo 67 line, this is the extreme version of that. I'm wearing it. As always, it's my scent of the day. And I like this a lot. I don't know if I love it, but I like it a lot, and I like the line a lot. And if you like pineapple, this will scratch that itch because there is a whole lot of pineapple. It's a whole lot of pineapple. In the opening, I get a whole lot of pineapple. Sweet, almost resinous pineapple. Oily. A whole lot of pineapple. And it's sweetened with caramel. And there's a bunch of woods in the background. And probably the main player in this is the pineapple. But also a sports car leather. And I'm not quite sure what this fragrance was going for because it's very youthful. It's also very masculine. Then it adds a bunch of sweetness. It's all over the place, this fragrance. I'm telling you, it's all over the place. I do like it quite a bit. Not necessarily what I would call a daily driver. Maybe this is kind of like a upscale fragrance, but for young people, for maybe date nights. I don't know. I do know I like it because it's got a whole crap load of pineapple. If you love pineapple and pineapple fragrances, this got a lot in it. It's got a lot of citruses in it. It's very sweet, very woody. There's also a bunch of freshness from clary sage and geranium. And Fragrantica's got to be wrong on this one. Solar notes. Listen, from all my years of smelling the sun, I don't know what the hell does the sun smell like? Usually, solar notes to me, when a fragrance has solar notes in it, it usually smells like when the sun, the hot sun, is hitting your skin and you're smelling the kind of the heat off your skin. I don't get any of that. I think that's a lunacy to put that in the note breakdown. But the leather's nice, the cedar, the vetiver, your typical mall masculine fragrance, just with pineapple and caramel. It is extreme, so it extremely projects in the first hour, and then it settles into a normal. The Polo 67 line is usually kind of a bright, fresh, citrusy type fragrance, perfectly suited for the summer. That's why it's got the baseball theme. This one's a little sweet for the summer. I don't know what they were thinking. I do enjoy it. Maybe summer nights. Also, not a very expensive fragrance. I think it retails for like $135. You take advantage of the Macy's sale, and you're not really spending a whole lot of money. This comes in a pretty big bottle, 125 ml. They also have 200 ml bottles of this. These are also refillable, so you can get a this size bottle, just get a gigantic refill and be set for your entire life. Because you don't want a moment in your life where you don't smell like sweet pineapple and sports car leather. I surely know. I don't. Yes, I am serious, and don't call me Shirley. I can't really think of a con to this fragrance other than it's a little too sweet to be like a signature scent. It may be a little too youthful for some people. I don't see wearing this at like something formal. Wearing this with a $3,000 suit. You could probably wear it at the gym if you want to annoy people with your sickeningly sweet fragrance, your cloying fragrance. at that point, just throw on Jupe and really destroy their noses. But seriously, it's a good fragrance, good designer fragrance, doing what designer fragrances do best, and that's smell good and be mass appealing and not be super expensive. 125 ml. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting a lot of juice, and the longevity, not bad. It's not bad. I got a very solid 6 hours. That 6 to 8 hour range is when it starts kind of dying off. But 8 hours, 8 hours for a fragrance that's not very expensive and that smells good, and the quality is very designery, which means it's not horrible. It's not some Mason Alhambra, but you know what you're getting. You're not getting a $400 fragrance here. This thing's checking all those boxes that it's supposed to check. I think it meets its price point. It says, "Hi, how you doing?" It meets its price point, and it's very friendly to it, and the price point's very friendly to you, and that sale will be friendly to you. Imagine that, me having an affiliate link and telling you, hold up, don't use it, because there's going to be a sale. Imagine that. Saving your audience a little bit of money and not putting your own selfish needs first. You bastards. You bastards. If you're going to be bastards, be good smelling bastards and get this Polo 67, because it is a good little sweet fragrance. And as always, thank you for watching.